Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're making teriyaki chicken wings. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. We're going to be deep frying these wings, so before you start, preheat your oil to 190 degrees. Now take a saucepan and put it on a medium heat. Add the soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, garlic, ginger, pepper and brown sugar. Give everything a good stir before adding in the spring onion and paprika. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens. You don't want it to be watery. Remove it from the heat and set to one side. Beat the egg in a bowl. Now breadcrumb each of the wings by dipping it in egg and then rolling it in panko breadcrumbs. You want a really good coating to make the wings crispy and really soak up the sauce. Fry the wings in batches for 5 to 10 minutes until the breadcrumbs have turned a golden brown. You should also check a wing to ensure the chicken is cooked through. Remove the wings to a bowl and while they're still piping hot, spoon over some of the sauce. Give them a good toss to cover evenly, but be careful not to shake off the breadcrumbs. Garnish with spring onion, chilli and sesame seeds. You can also use any excess sauce for dipping. These wings will knock your socks off. Sweet, sticky, a little spicy and full of flavour. You're sure to become very popular with whoever you serve these to. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.